Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for circle. Given the situation, the point A with the coordinate -7, 7 and the point B with the coordinate 1, 1 form the diameter of a circle. So kindly illustrate the situation in a circle. So here we have the circle. So with the point -7, 7. Then we have the point 1, 1. And the question said, form the diameter of a circle. So meaning that where we have a center, so find the standard equation of a circle. So as we all know, x minus h bracket square plus bracket y minus k bracket square equals to r squared. We need two info in order to have the standard equation of the circle. So the number 1 will be the center and followed by the radius. So as we can see from the diagram, we have a diameter. So in the middle of the diameter, we have a center. So from here, we have the hints or the keyword, which is midpoint. So the formula for the midpoint will be x plus with the x1 over 2, y plus with the y1 over 2. So as we can see, we have the point at the end of the diameter or the straight line, which is -7, 7 and 1, 1. So in here, the midpoint actually is the center. So -7 plus with 1 over 2. And we have 7 plus with the 1 over 2. So from here, the center will be -7 plus 1, where we have -6 divided by 2, so we will have -3. 7 plus 1 over 2, and we will have 4. So in here, the center is -3, 4. So in order to find the radius, so here we have the radius, r equals to square root of x minus x1 bracket square plus y minus y1 bracket square. So let's say we pick the center and the point 1, 1 as the value x and y. So r will be equals to square root of 1 minus with the -3. So we will have plus 3 plus 1 minus with the 4. So r is equals to square root of 1 plus 3, 4 squared. So we will have 16 plus 1 minus with 4, we will have -3. So we will have 9. So r will be equals to square root of 25. So r will be equals to 5. So finally, substitute the center and the radius into the standard equation of the circle. So x plus with the 3 squared plus y minus 4 bracket square is equals to 25. So here we have the standard equation of the circle. Next, we have another situation for the circle. Find the general equation of the circle that passing through the point with the coordinate 6, 3. The second point, -2, -1. And the third one will be 1, 1. So my suggestion is to substitute the situation into the general equation of the circle. So where we have x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So here we have the point 6, 3. So we will have 36 plus with 9 plus with 12g plus with 6f plus with the c equals to 0. Simplify the situation. So 45 plus 12g plus 6f plus c equals to 0, and we name it as the first equation. Next, we have the second point, -2, -1. If we substitute the situation, and we will have 4 plus with the 1 minus 4g minus 2f plus with the c equals to 0. Simplify the situation. 5 minus 4g minus 2f plus with the c equals to 0. And we name it as the second equation. The third one will be 1, 1. So we will have 1 plus with the 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equals to 0. Simplify the situation. 2 plus with the 2g plus with the 2f plus c equals to 0. And we name it as the third equation. So next what we have to do is to make use of the three equations and then try to find the value f, g and c. So my suggestion would be the first equation minus with the second equation. So where we will have 45 minus with the 5, so we will have 40. 12g minus with the negative 4g, so we will have plus 16g. Next we have 6f minus with the negative 2f, so we will have plus 8f. Finally, c minus with the c, we will have 0. So simplify the situation. Divide the situation by 8. So we will have 5 plus with 2g plus with f equals to 0. So we name it as the fourth equation. Next, relate the situation again. So where we have the second equation minus with the third equation. So 5 minus with the 2, so we will have 3. Negative 4 minus with the 2g, and we will have negative 6g. Negative 2f minus with the 2f, so we will have negative 4f. So finally, c minus with the c, and we will have 0. So we name it as the fifth equation. So now try to relate the fourth and the fifth equation. So my suggestion is express the fourth equation f in terms of g. So we will have negative 2g minus with the 5. Then kindly substitute this situation into this part. So we will have 3 minus 6g minus 4 multiplied with negative 2g minus with the 5 equals to 0. So 3 minus 6g plus with 8g plus with the 20 equals to 0. So we will have 23. Okay, so we have 2g plus with the 23 equals to 0. So finally, g will be equal to negative 23 over 2. Next is to substitute the g into the situation in here. So f is equals to negative 2 multiplied with negative 23 over 2 minus with the 5. So f is equals to 23 minus with the 5. So f will be equals to 18. So now we have f is equals to 18 and g is equals to negative 23 over 2. So kindly substitute the situation into the third equation. So where we have 2 plus with the 2g, negative 23 over 2, plus with 2f, where we have 18, plus with the c equals to 0. Simplify the situation. 2 minus 23 plus with 36 plus with the c equals to 0. So c will be equals to negative 15. So finally, we can substitute the value f, g and c into the general equations of the circle. So x squared plus with the y squared, where we have plus 2g. G will be negative 23 over 2. X plus we have 2 multiplied with the 18. Y plus with the c, where we have negative 15 equals to 0. Simplify the situation. So x squared plus y squared minus 23x plus with 36y minus 15 is equals to 0. So here we have the general equation of the circle that passing through the point 6, 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 1, 1. So next, where we have the situation for vector. Given 3 points with the A coordinate negative 3, 2, and negative 1. followed by the B, where we have -2, 4, and 5. Finally, C with the coordinate 1, -2, and 4 be the point in the three-dimensional space. A. Find the area of triangle ABC. B. The angle between BA and BC. So first, what my suggestion would be, find the vector BA and BC. So here we have the vector BA, OA minus OB. So OA will be -3, 2, and -1, minus with the position vector for B, -2, 4, and 5. So the vector BA is equals to -1, -2, and -6, followed by BC, OC minus OB. 1, -2, and 4 minus with the OB, -2, 4, and 5. So the vector BC will be equals to 3, -6, -1. So here we have the triangle ABC. So in order to find the triangle for ABC, we need to have the formula 1/2 with the modulus BA cross BC. So first part, find the BA cross BC. So in order to find the I, kindly close up the I, and we will have 2 minus, where we have -6 multiplied with the -6, so we will have 36. Next, close up the J, so we will have 1 minus, kindly refers to the situation, 3 multiplied with the -6, so we will have -18 and it become +18. Close up the K, so we will have 6 minus with 2, -2 multiplied with the 3, so we will have -6. So in here, it becomes +6. So the BA cross with the BC, and we will have -34I, followed by -19J. And finally, we have +12K. So here we have the direction, or we can consider as normal vector to a plane ABC. So in here, we are going to find the area of triangle. So means that we have to find the modulus of BA cross BC. So in here, we will have the magnitude of BA cross BC equals to, where we have the square root of 34 squared plus with the 19 squared plus with the 12 squared. So as a conclusion, we have square root of 1661 or 40.76 unit square for the area BA cross BC. So in here, the question asking about the triangle. So the triangle ABC, and we have the area square root of 1/2 unit square. Next is to find the angle between the BA and BC. So kindly refers to the formula where we have the BA cross BC is equals to the magnitude of BA multiply the magnitude of BC sine theta. So kindly refers to the situation. So here we have the square root of 1/661 equals to magnitude of BA. So we will have 1 plus with the 4 plus with the 36 multiply with the magnitude of BC, where we have 9 plus 36 plus with the 1 sine theta. So simplify the situation. Sine theta is equals to square root of 1,661 over square root of 41 multiply with the square root of 46. So theta will be equals to 69.79 degree. So that will be the angle between the vector BA and the BC. Next, we are going to discuss the situation for vector. The position vector of the point A and B with respect to the origin O with the position vector A 4i plus 3j minus k, and the position vector for B is equals to 2i minus 5j plus 4k. Find the unit vector in the direction of BA. So my suggestion is to find the vector BA. So where we have OA minus OB. So OA will be 4, 3 and negative 1. Minus with the OB 2, negative 5 and 4. So the vector BA is equals to 2, 8 and negative 5, where we have the direction. Next, in order to find the unit vector, what we have to do is to find the magnitude of BA. So square root of 4 plus with the 64 plus with the 25. So we have square root of 93. So the unit vector for the BA, so we have the BA hat, which is equals to 2 over square root of 93i plus with 8 over square root of 93j minus with 5 over square root of 93k. So that will be the unit vector for the direction of BA. Next refers to B. Find the vector which is 6 unit in magnitude and parallels to vector AB. So in here, kindly refers to the vector BA. So AB and BA, we have the negative vector. So the vector AB is equals to negative 2, negative 8 and 5. So refers to the situation where we have the vector V. So we name it as V hat, which is parallels to the vector AB hat. So from here, kindly refers to the unit vector. So where we have the vector V over with the 6 equals to the vector AB over with the magnitude of vector AB. So we will have negative 2i over square root of 93 minus 8j over square root of 93 plus 5j over square root of 93. So in order to find the V, so we need to cross multiply the 6 or multiply both sides with the 6. So we will have negative 12 over square root of 93i minus we have 48j over square root of 93. Finally, plus with the 30 over square root of 93k. So here we are, and thanks for watching.